Thursday morning, the 5th of August, 2021. We're headed southwest on Huffaker. We've just come out of Big Texas Valley and they've just repaved Huffaker. Look at this, it's nice. Headed south is 63 degrees and it is 7:38 in the morning. Our excursion today is going to be over into Alabama. We'll be looking for things of interest, historical interest, human interest, visual interest, any kind of interest. We started off this excursion with 388,275,000 miles. Don't know how many we'll end up with. I just have turned the camera on. We've already been 10 miles. Over the next week or so, I'm going to be doing a couple of reviews. I don't know if I'll do one today or not. I've got a little Zebco reel that's mounted on a collapsible rod that I got from Cabela's, and I got it mainly because it's so compact, and I'm interested in storage and efficiency, and all the little Zebcos I've ever had have been good little reels, and so we'll be doing a review on it. Whether we mess with it today or not, I don't know. But also, I finally purchased a fat tire electric bike that folds, again, for conserving size or space, being able to put things in one of these Jeeps or the van or something. I'll be doing a review of it, both from every aspect of it, from purchase to shipping to assembly. I have no experience in bicycles, so that could get interesting. To customer service, to its performance, all of that. For anybody that is thinking about buying an electric bicycle. And we got Road Hog there, wanting to take the whole road and run everybody else off of it. So, ride along with us and see where we end up. We'll be turning right off of Huffaker on Georgia 20 and headed into Alabama, into the wilds and woolly. But first we're going to eat. We're going to review that. We'll do a breakfast review of this Evans Parts House. They have a nice little deli inside, and the breakfast was very good, $6. Gas is $2.79.9 a gallon here. I'm gonna cut over here where y'all can then come back where you can see the front of it here. Evans Barbecue, best barbecue in town. I don't know about the barbecue, but the breakfast is good. Then we'll turn it off, and then we're going to turn around and head west. Okay, we have come on a wild goose chase. Alabama girl gave us directions to the Coosa post office, and it was exactly opposite of what she said. Floyd County Police have got someone there, looked like she was crying. I think they're going to give her a ticket. was probably exceeding the speed limit of 55 miles an hour coming down through here. Coosa High School is here on the right. Coosa, Georgia. Coming up on the Rome bypass is also Georgia 1. Georgia 1 will connect with 27 and go south. Or does it connect with something? I don't, it may go. Yeah, no, I'm not sure. No, I don't think it connects with 20. I don't know what it does. Never mind. I didn't say anything. It goes south. That's all I know. Georgia Pacific paper plant next over there to the left. Little mobile home community on the right. Turn to the right when we cross the railroad tracks here. We missed the train, but there were two locomotives down here, so we'll catch the locomotives and get this big dump truck off of our bumper. These guys probably wonder what in the world are they doing. They have no business here whatsoever, and they're right. I just want to get a picture, and you probably won't be able to see it good with the sun, of that North Fork Southern green stripe on those two locomotives. Got a Georgia emblem on the side there. How about that? Working together for a cleaner state. My understanding, this Georgia power plant is closed. Yeah, some viewers from another video told me that this plant was closed. I had no idea. Large cemetery out there. Coming back up on Evans. there was some barbecue on the hoof out there. Oh, that was so ugly of me. Oh man. I may have to cut that out. I don't know. Center Alabama straight ahead, Georgia 100 and Georgia North 100, West 20. To the left will take you to Cave Springs. We've been there and have video. Around this curve, I think right up here is that nice little church. I think it's on the historic Georgia tour. I'm not sure. We'll turn in and just let you get a picture of it. We've got a video of it too. So a lot of these places I have video of and different other video. I just do a blow by. Dirt road goes somewhere. Need to check that place out. Old River Road and a boat ramp to the left. Turn in the church and come back out, and then I'm going to turn it off until we get over into Alabama. I don't know how far over into Alabama I've been down here, but we'll be exploring together. Some of y'all may have been down here, I don't know. And I have part way, but I don't know how far. Again, this is Georgia 20. I don't know what it turns into in Alabama, but this goes all the way over through Loganville, Conyers, cuts on down south, doubles back around, and I think comes back to I-20. I don't know where it goes all the way down through there. Here's that little church right here. Sardis Presbyterian Church and Cemetery. Okay, we're going to turn it off, and as we cross over into Alabama, we'll turn it back on. Hey, we're coming up on the Alabama line, but we're going to let this speed racer get by us. Come on by, and we're going to let that big truck get by. All right, this isn't the Alabama line yet. Yeah, I'm lost already. At least we're going against the sun. I'm usually running right into the sun. Yeah, we had some extraneous items up on the dash for getting the reflection in the camera. there to the right. Been some thinning over there in that pine forest. I hope all y'all can take a good joke. But I'm about to start joking about Alabama. You know, we all joke about different things. Alabama jokes and Tennessee jokes, Florida jokes. Okay, I think this down here, this down here is going to be the Alabama line. So we'll start our jokes. I guess y'all have all heard about the invention of the toothbrush. Oh look, Rome police sitting there waiting for people. He's already got one, I know. Y'all probably already heard the joke about the toothbrush in Alabama, so I'm going to tell that one. Okay, here's the Alabama line right here. I've noticed a sort of a shift in the, sort of like a continental divide, except maybe, you know, it's sort of like an intellectual divide. I just crossed it. Oh, I made that one up. I thought it was pretty good. Have y'all heard the one about the Alabama girl? Oh, wait a minute, I can't tell that. Oh, no, I can't tell that. Never mind. Let's see, what else can we go with? Well, I don't know. I guess I might have. Okay, let's see, what road is this in Alabama? This is Alabama 9. How about that? Headed south. Fresh beef jerky. Elk jerky. Buffalo jerky. Okay, I'm going to turn it off and I'm going to start a new one of Alabama Backroads Drive.